Let's switch back to the queries that are there. Now, the first query that we're seeing is Gautam from Mumbai. He holds about 5,000 shares of Federal Bank, and this is at a price of 180 that we are looking at. Oh, his query is regarding whether he should sell Federal Bank and move to something like a AB Capital for the next 12 to 18 months in perspective. Well, let's get this query answered from Mahesh. Mahesh, what's your outlook in terms of Federal Bank or AB Capital? Which is your preferred pick over here? Should he stay invested in Federal Bank?
I think he should be invested in Federal Bank. Yes, recent on last day, AV Capital has given some breakout type of pattern. But yes, I think Federal has a much more potential compared to AV Capital, so he can hold further Federal Bank. I think Federal Bank is doing quite very good. So I think if any from longer term perspective, I think Federal Bank is good.
Mahesh, just a follow up on that, he's already sitting on a profits of over ₹1,00,000. Do you think partial profit booking should be on the cards, or should he continue to hold the entire stake?
See, if bank is doing very good and quite he's holding from from lower level. If he want to book any kind of a small profit booking, then he can book. I think a stock has a potential up to 250, 260, and stock is in consolidation zone. So I think if his horizon is longer term, then no need to worry. He can hold further. But yes, if anyone want to take opportunity for a trading type of opportunity, then partial profit can be booked.
Okay, partial profit can be booked is the view coming in on Federal Bank. Our first caller for the day, Asif, is calling in from Dehradun. Asif, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Yeah, hi, morning. So I have 50 shares of Dixon Technology at 15,000. I have a 2.5, 3-year time horizon.
Okay.
I wanted to know how does it look on a weekly chart, on a longish term chart. Should I hold it or should I exit and get into something else?
Okay, I'll take this up quickly with Kush. Kush, what's your view like where Dixon is concerned? And of course, the 1-week chart, what does it suggest? Is there a further upside?
Well, I think there isn't too much to worry here. I mean, the stock has actually gone into a consolidation. The bias is a bit negative, but despite that, if you see units still hovering around the 200-day moving average, at least on the daily chart, and the volumes on the way down aren't really as worrying. But if you switch the view to weekly chart, as Asif has quite rightly requested or suggested, I think there is a longish consolidation phase that Dixon is perhaps in for. On the downside, you're looking at positional support near the 13,300, 13,000 zone. So that should be held in this consolidation for the stock to continue to consolidate and then rally higher. On the way up, I think what you're looking at is 16,200, 16,500 range that has acted as a bit of a resistance. On the whole, what you need to do is take the entire thing into a bit of a context, which is the stock has been a multi-bagger over the last 2.5, 3 years. So, a few months of consolidation here or there it's not a bad idea and should not be taken very adversely. On the whole, I would suggest from a medium to a long-term perspective, continue holding on to Dixon. The positional stop for this one is close to the 13,000, 13,300.
Continue to hold is the